Hello student, today we are going to discuss about an CBSE sample question paper. It's for term 1 case study question. We are going to discuss. The question is asked about the transformer. Okay. The question is it's asked with the transformer. Okay. There are 4 questions we are going to discuss: 52, 53, 54, 55. These are the questions we are going to discuss. Okay. First will be given with one by one. First question: which statement is true? They are given many statement. Okay. So one by one, the energy is created when the transformer is step up. Okay, energy is conserved. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It's going to be constant. Okay, transformer is used to design the it is used to convert the DC to AC. AC to DC is not going to be convert. Actually, it's going to help us to increase or decrease the voltage. Okay, step up transformer increasing the power. Okay, the power not going to be increased. Power remains as a constant. Okay, so the power remains same. Okay, that is called ideal transformer. Step down, it's going to be decreasing voltage. Okay, it is a correct statement. Why step down is a decreasing voltage? Because step up, okay, we will take it step up. Okay, step up is representing as a increasing voltage. Okay, voltage get increased. Step down, it's going to be tell us a decreasing voltage. Okay, that means the option 4 is a correct statement. Okay, the next one, in secondary coil greater number of turns than the primary coils. Okay, then out of this which statement is correct? Okay, first you need to know, understand what is the ratio formula for the transformer. Ratio formula is equal to ns by np, ns by np, vs by vp, vs by vp, ip by is, ip by is. Only current will be opposite. Okay, in ratio formula, secondary coil divided by primary coil for number of turns. Okay, secondary coil voltage divided by primary coil voltage, secondary coil current divided by primary coil current. Okay, actually ratio formula is equal to ns by np, vs by vp, ip by is. Okay, opposite, current is opposite. Okay, ip by is. This is a ratio formula. Okay, they are given secondary coil is more than primary coil. Okay, number of turns is primary coil. Okay, that means numerator is greater than denominator, so r value is greater than 1. So numerator is greater than denominator means it's going to be the r is greater than 1. It's called step up transformer. When step up transformer is there, Vs will be greater than Vp. Okay, Ip will be greater than Is. Okay, this is a condition. Now we'll see answer for that particular question. Okay, so Vs greater than Vp, it's correct order. It's going to be step up transformer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, the next one, we need to step down the voltage for a power transmission. Step down the voltage. Okay, so what we should do? Okay, step down the voltage, step up the voltage. We have to do with the step up voltage. Okay, so when the voltage is increased, current will be get decreased. Okay, because power will be remains as a constant. Okay, input power is equal to output power. Okay, when you are increasing the voltage in secondary coil, at the same time the current in secondary coil will get decreased. Okay, that means the current is reduced, and I square or losing the power loss will be reduced, because according to Joule's law of heating, I square RT. Okay, so we reduce the current means the power loss will be less. That's the reason the first option is a correct answer. Okay, next 55, the question number 55. Okay, the voltage in input 2300, voltage in output 230. Okay, so I will do here. So the voltage in secondary primary is called 2300 volt. The voltage in secondary is called 230 volt. Okay, now number of turns in primary, we can it's given in the question, it is 400 turns. Okay, what is the number of turns in secondary? Okay, that's a very simple question. Okay, first Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Ns by Np, what is Vs? So Vs is going to be 230. It's a ratio formula, 230 2300. Okay, primary voltage is going to be 230. Okay, this get cancelled, we'll get 10. Okay, ns by np is going to be 4000. What is ns? Ns only is going to be a